How to use YouTube's video editor? To use YouTube's video editor, follow these steps. Sign into your YouTube account and go to your channel's video manager. Find the video you want to edit and click the edit button next to it. Click the Enhancements tab at the top of the page. From here, you can use the various editing tools to trim, split, and merge video clips, add music and sound effects, and apply various filters and effects to your video. When you're finished editing, click the Save and Publish button to apply your changes and make your edited video live on YouTube. Here are some additional details on the specific editing tools and features available. Trim. Use the trim tool to cut out unwanted sections of your video. Split. Use the split tool to divide your video into two separate clips at the point where you split it. Merge. Use the merge tool to combine two or more separate video clips into a single video. Music. Use the music tool to add a soundtrack to your video from YouTube's library of licensed tracks. Sound effects. Use the sound effects tool to add sound effects to your video from YouTube's library of licensed sound effects. Filters. Use the filters tool to apply various visual effects to your video, such as black and white, sepia, or vignette. Annotations. Use the annotations tool to add text, links, and other interactive elements to your video. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.